AFIXT is a magnetic sleeve that is ideal for bottles of all shapes and sizes carried around the world. Whether you're hitting the gym hard, playing at the park, cooking out, or taking the kids to the store, AFIXT works for you everywhere.
Hi everyone, I'm Sean Hansel and I'm the founder of Attract Iron and creator of AFIXT. While living a healthy lifestyle and spending countless hours in the gym, I continue to run into the same problem over and over again. From being too tired after a set to reach down and grab my bottle, from being too lazy to setting the bottle on a bench, lastly, spilling my bottle regularly and constantly leaving it in the gym, I was sick and tired of living with shaker problems. So I decided to come up with AFIXT, so I created AFIXT. AFIXT is a magnetic bottle sleeve that is ideal for gyms and fitness centers all across the world. With its patent-pending simplistic design, industrial strength magnetic grip, and its flexible, adjustable, yet durable band, AFIXT is equipped to carry the load of any size shaker or water bottle thrown its way. If you've been living with shaker problems like I did and are fed up like the rest of us, why not try AFIXT? Once you try it, you won't ever leave home without it. You'll realize how simple, convenient, and even fun how many other uses you will find throughout your daily life. It doesn't matter whether you're an IFBB pro bodybuilder, a personal trainer, an avid CrossFitter, or just someone getting back in the gym. The fact of the matter is, you need to hydrate, and if you have a bottle, then you need AFIXT. By backing this project, you will be joining the movement that will spread across the entire fitness world. To get your AFIXT, click on the green button that says Back This Project and claim your discounted price now. Take advantage of this limited time offer while you still can. Make your pledge now to start your journey to a simpler, more efficient, and healthier lifestyle with AFIXT.